can? Oh, it's perfect then. As long as there's a key to do it.
Well, that as long as that's highlighted.
Yep, during that field.
Yep.
I do know a little something. A little.
Not me. Not me.
You just hear racks creaking.
That's cool. So which is the monitor that's going to stay in there now? That one. But you've already got it sitting there. Okay.
Well, he's gonna.
Well, I brought this. Is that the same?
Yep.
So we could switch now. And it's like what, 2 or 3? Five. Well, that was the one that powered the case. So obviously I'll have to change it back. But
but if you get, I can give you the one for that monitor, which is a little just ball work, and you can plug it in where this is plugged in.
Yeah, that'd be best. Right. So.
Good, I'm glad you brought that new part out there.
You gotta do a little more tune here with your
Yeah, it was funny. Granny got the credit card over the top around the truck. And as I'm driving the truck, I'm like, I was supposed to get the credit card. So I was like, man, I gotta go back to the house. Get back to the house. Wife's there. I was like, you've already been here? I'm like, yeah, here's the card. But by the way, I was like, I forgot. After we just talked about it. So
where do you need it? You need it on here?
Actually, I'm going to do 8, which is the bottom left. So it'll be a pain in the butt to get to, actually. But I did want to get this guy out of there.
media
Eliminate cabling.
So you've actually got the computer like taped down, right?
Double-sided. Double-sided.
Awesome. So that way it just stays in there. You don't even have to mess with it.
Yeah, no, my goal was, and I hope you're okay with that.
No.
The goal was to just completely, all I got to do is roll up and do that, and then turn each one on.
Yeah. The monitor I'm going to use for my case is out of one of these.